Hello everyone, this is Suhana. What is Arabic translation? This is a topic that has been requested by many customers, so I thought I'd come and tell you what Arabic translation is before it's too late. But before that, if you're watching this video without subscribing to Trivandrum International's YouTube channel, then definitely click subscribe button and enable all. So let's come to the topic. What is Arabic translation? Candidates doing Saudi embassy attestations are the most likely to have heard such a term. A chance of hearing this could be when submitting non-educational certificates for Saudi embassy attestations. Arabic translation is one of the most important procedures involved in the Saudi embassy's non-educational documents. Whatever documents we submit, we get it as two documents after the attestation, which means one will be our original document submitted by us, the other will be the translated version of the submitted documents. Already a video on Saudi embassy attestation is uploaded on our YouTube channel, but in this video we will look a little deeper into what Arabic translation is. So let's see what are the procedures involved in non-educational documents. So the processes are notary plus home or SDM plus MEA plus Arabic translation plus Saudi embassy attestations. We have already discussed that we can do attestations through Saudi embassy and consulate. That is through Mumbai and Delhi. Don't you have doubts on who is going to do these translations even from these two places? That's what we're going to discuss now. Delhi has Delhi University and Jamia Millia Islamic University. So these processes will be done by the head of the Arabic departments in such universities. After providing our documents for Arabic translation, we get back a translated copy of our documents and also our original document, which means that's a set of two documents. The Arabic translation in Mumbai will be done by a professional approved by the Mumbai consulate. Is it clear now? What is this translation? Who does it? And where do you do that? Any non-educational document must also be attested by the Saudi embassy for translation to travel to Saudi Arabia. I hope the things are really clear to you now, and again, if the doubts are persisting, please feel free to contact our customer care number. So if you really like this video, do like, share and subscribe. So catch you again in the next series with an informative video. Until then, see you again. This is Suhana signing off.